Hello, my friends. How are you? Today I'm making everyone's favorite chicken nuggets. Woohoo! Let's start with the chicken cubes. Garlic powder, salt to taste, paprika powder, white pepper, onion, coriander, blood slices. Add little bit oil. Let's blend it, and make something yummy. Now, run salsa or just yummy mixture into the bowl. Carefully, no mess, just Sultan style. We'll add some grated cheese to make it super soft and extra yummy. Mix it well. Time to shape the nugget. Look at this. I'm a real chef now. Cooking time. Flour, breadcrumbs, paprika, salt. Mix all together. Look at it. Now beat it. Roll it. Dip it. Got it. Over to Mama. She will fry these. Well done, Sultan. Try this recipe. Follow me and bye bye.